On April 16, 2026, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.7 simultaneously across its own API, Amazon Bedrock, Google Cloud Vertex AI, Microsoft Foundry, and GitHub Copilot. Not a staged rollout, not a limited preview, a full coordinated launch across 5 major platforms on the same day. On GitHub, Opus 4.7 will replace both Opus 4.5 and 4.6 in the Copilot Pro Plus model picker over the coming weeks. The older models are being retired. On paper, pricing hasn't changed. $5 per million input tokens, $25 per million output tokens, same as Opus 4.6. But there's a catch. Opus 4.7 ships with a new tokenizer. Anthropic acknowledges the same input can now map to roughly 1.0 to 1.35 times more tokens, depending on content type. According to one independent review, that translates to real costs up to 35% higher on code-heavy prompts. The sticker price is the same. The bill may not be. The technical specs are substantial. A 1 million token context window, 128,000 max output tokens, a knowledge cutoff of January 2026, and notably improved vision. Opus 4.7 accepts images up to 2,576 pixels on the long edge, around 3.75 megapixels. According to Anthropic, that's more than 3 times the resolution of prior Claude models. For developers, though, the upgrade comes with friction. According to one detailed review, 3 API parameters now return 400 errors. The old thinking budget tokens field, and the temperature top P and top K controls. Creativity parameters, gone. Developers must now use Anthropic's new effort levels instead, which include a new tier called X High that sits between high and max. Anthropic positions Opus 4.7 as its most capable generally available model, but not its most capable model. Full stop. According to CNBC, Anthropic explicitly describes Opus 4.7 as less broadly capable than Claude Mythos Preview, particularly in cybersecurity. Mythos has been rolled out selectively to certain companies through something called Project Glasswing, a cybersecurity initiative. Opus 4.7, by contrast, ships with safeguards that automatically detect and block requests indicating prohibited or high-risk cybersecurity uses. It's a deliberate tiering. The most powerful model stays behind closed doors. The public model gets guardrails built in. What's still unclear is how Opus 4.7 actually stacks up against the competition. The reported SWE bench-verified score of 87.6% comes from vendor tests, not independent evaluation. One review claims the model regressed against GPT 5.4 on Terminal Bench 2.0, but that's a single, unverified source. No head-to-head comparisons with current Gemini or GPT models have been published by any independent body. What we can say is that the pace of iteration is accelerating. Anthropic is now shipping major Opus updates in rapid succession, each one bundled with breaking changes that push developers to keep up. The frontier model race isn't just about capability anymore. It's about how fast labs can ship and how much change developers can absorb.